Hello. Alright, we are visiting Hookipa beach again because last time we came here it was pretty dark and we didn't get to see the turtles too close, so we're gonna go down now and have a look, see some turtles. A nice sunset and turtles everywhere.
Do you think they know to lie on this side of the beach?
Oh, I love them so much. They are so cute.
They're like 200 years old. What do you think of these turtles?
Oh, they are so beautiful.
That turtle's heading back out to sea. Look how slow they move.
No.
This wave's going to help that turtle go back into the water. A little bit anyway. What's the name of the green sea turtle in Hawaii?
The green sea turtle?
Yes.
Isn't it the green sea turtle?
It's called the honu.
Oh, okay.
Lara, what's the name for the green sea turtle in Hawaii?
It's honu.
How do you know that? Beautiful view, beautiful sunset, and then you're not supposed to go past this line here.
It would be so funny if it got pushed backwards. No,
It's gone.
Loading now.
Hi Lara, where are we today?
We are about to go on the Kapalua coastal trail.
Yeah.
We have just parked in...
Where have we parked, Lara?
I can't remember what it was. This is Club Bay Place, which is a good place to park. A lot of the places we tried to park at were private property. Yeah, the best thing to do is to park in the beach parking place.
And what is this beach parking place called? Club Bay Place. Okay, we're going now. We're going on our walk to the Kapalua coastal trail.
So far we've been on this trail for about 20 minutes, but we haven't really got very far. Because, why haven't we got very far, Kennedy? Birds. What's in there?
There's a cardinal in there.
A cardinal?
It's a red bird.
A red bird.
I cannot see that with the camera.
Behind the trees a little bit.
No. Scare it out? Like kick the bush? I can see his tail now, it's gone.
USA's #1 beach.
#1.
#1. Who rated #1, Lara?
United States University.
That
University in the United States.
kind of gone off trail, haven't we? It looks beautiful there, doesn't it? Let's walk along and have a look. It's like we're walking on the moon. This is all the lava flow from, I assume, tens of thousands of years ago. Lara has found a little sanctuary here. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I wonder one day whether all that will be beaten down into the sand. Years and millions of years from now.
There are lots of little hidden tunnels around this little area. And this is where the shearwater nests. But I think they're all out to sea today.